Okay, here's our bike. We've been working on the carburation, so now we're gonna go out and do a little test ride. You can film with your hand too.
I can barely do it with one hand.
That's why you got two. Get away. That's every kick. Cut now. We can do it, Odell.
I didn't touch it. That motorcycle belonged to my father.
Wow.
He bought it in 1961. It's a 1941.
Flathead, right?
Yeah. Yeah, 45.
45.
But Tatro put a stroker in it and rebuilt everything.
Sounds really good. And who did the paint and everything?
Phil Thoreau's Auto Works and Santee
Cool.
did the paint, and was it Pacific Plating did the chrome, and then Buchanan did the wheels and tires.
That's cool. It's still in the family.
I hope I don't have to go get the trailer and pick him up.
Are you riding home tonight?
No.
No?
You know, I still, they discontinued my motorcycle license, I think it was in the 1980s, because I never renewed it. So I still have to get a driver's license. But this thing, I mean, he engineered the whole thing. It has all kinds of different stuff. It has Sportster rods, custom pistons. He welded the heads all up to get more compression.
that good enough?
I like it. I like it.
Oh, he's making it.
Is that it?
Yeah, it runs good. This seat's a joke though. You slide right off that thing. You got them big handlebars there for a reason to hold you on the bike. But I mean, there's something going clunk, clunk, clunk every now and then around. So I think the master link is hitting on something.
Okay.
So you jack it up, spin around, and see if you can figure out what it is.
Okay.
Like I said, I don't know. Like I said, when it won't go in the high. I keep trying to do a power shift up in the high, well, not a speed shift in the high. It just doesn't go in. I haven't been in high gear yet, so I'm not sure what the issue is. But yeah, but just starts. The bike just starts wobbling around pretty good.
Is that because of the speed at that time, or you think it is?
Yeah, we're getting up to about 50 mile an hour at that point.
Yeah.
Top of second gear. That's about 50, wasn't it? Blowing through.
Yeah, you're.
I didn't exceed 25 mile an hour, did I?
No.
Okay, good. But yeah, it runs strong. It comes on the cam. It pulls hard. Second gear, it's hard. It's clean. You know, the carburetion's clean.
Yeah, it sounded good. Yeah.
It pulls strong. But when you go into, it just won't go into third. So I'm not sure what the issue is there. So.
Okay.
You're good up to about 50 mile an hour, and above that, you got to figure out what's going on with what's going on. I assume the wheels are true, aren't they? There's no issues with that. You spin them, they're nice and true, or nothing weird going on.
Well, I mean, Buchanan did them.
Yeah.
And
all I know is the bike just gets, when I go into high gear, it doesn't go in, and the whole bike just starts going like this. That might just be me jerking on the damn thing and trying to make it go.
Yeah, but I might have, you know.
I'm inducing it into the handlebar. I don't know.
I'm not. Got to check to see that it's aligned. But
you know, I didn't let go of the bar to see if that was a problem. But like I said, there's a clunk, clunk, clunk going around. So you pull off that sprocket cover, you should see a nice grind mark in there where it's hitting.
Now I clean it up.
Clean it out until that mark's gone, and then put it back on. Try it again. That way, it doesn't have to self-clearance it. You can help it out a little bit.
Okay.
But yeah, up to low in second gear, so it's a handful. But like I said, the seat, you just slide right off. So can you get your seat guy to put like a lip on this thing around here? A little something to hold your butt in there? Or you just never turn the throttle on. I don't know how you ride.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
For me, it's I turn my throttle on, as you can tell. Like I said, loosen up the toe clutch a little bit so it'll just toe in real nice and easy. I don't know why I didn't want to restart. That was kind of a pain in the ass, but I leaned out about 3 or 4 clicks once it warmed up, but I put it back so it'll start. So it should start. Let's see. Hopefully. I don't know why it starts so good in the back and out here it doesn't do nothing. Get the throttle might help. There we go. That looks good. See, now I broke it again. Yeah, Bill, you screwed this up. Even full throttle is not work. We'll give full throttle, full sport. I think it wants that idle mixture back in. Once those 2 clicks of idle mixture back in, it's just a little lean right off, at idle, so it doesn't want to kickstart. Like I said, when you put the air cleaner on there for real, and not just the Vortec on there, then that will change everything on the mixture. But literally, I went from here to here.
Okay.
2 clicks. So it kind of wants to be straight right now, but for best throttle, it wants to be over here. You know. It's got a rich spot right off of idle. Just as you crack the idle, it gets real rich. And then from there on up, it just runs great. Yeah.
You want to take that velocity thing off?
Well, you can ride it like that for now until you get yours on there. I don't care.
Well, I'm going to take it home right now.
Whatever. You'll be back down here. It's up to you. You want to take it off? Take it off. It runs right now. You can ride around up there and don't have to dick with anything right now. I'd say leave it on there and ride it around, and then you put it off. You'll see how much it slows down when you put that air cleaner on there.
Okay.
It will slow it down.
Okay.
But all right, there you go. Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Okay, there you go. I didn't even blow it up yet. Look, no oil leak yet.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 drops. Oh, there it is. Channel is working. There you go, 2 drops.
I think you just parked over those.
It was already there? That was
Yeah.
somebody else? Okay, there you go.
I'm gonna go.